Hi and welcome to BBC Look East. The time is exactly 5 minutes past 5 and we have just received reports about an incident at the River Orwell this afternoon. Over to Mormudder who has the latest.
Yes, indeed, I do have the latest on the kidnappings. Yes, indeed, I do have the information about the big catastrophe that's happened. As you can see, it's a big mess, and the main story that we've managed to identify so far is that Jimmy has created this monster, which has caused total destruction. But don't worry, it's being killed. But the main thing we need to worry about are these so-called blind soldiers, as they're being nicknamed, because they have no face. They're really scary because they have no face at all, apart from eyes. And they can run really fast, they're really tall, they're really strong, and they can convert people. We need to work on this, and people should not get scared. People should not get scared. Should not get scared. But it's okay, because the MOD is working on it. Now, back to you, Sarah.
For us on that incident tonight, but if you want any more information, please go to www.bbc.co.uk/lookeast, where you can find much more information, including witness reports.